Hi everyone, today we are going to introduce you to Teledyne LeCroy's HDO6000B high-definition oscilloscope. HDO6000B oscilloscopes are available in bandwidths from 350 MHz to 1 GHz with sample rates of 10 gigasamples per second and are powered using HD4096 technology. HD4096 technology provides the highest resolution, 12 bits all the time with no compromise. When using the HDO6000B, you will see clean, crisp waveforms, more signal details, and unmatched measurement precision. The HDO6000B oscilloscope has a big 15.6-inch display with 1920 by 1080 resolution for a superior user experience. You can also connect a second display and view your extended desktop in glorious 4K resolution. As with all Teledyne LeCroy oscilloscopes, HDO6000B comes with a powerful, deep suite of measurement and analysis tools, including Spectrum Pro 2R, Maui Studio Pro, extensive serial trigger and decode support, and loads of advanced math and measurement tools. Providing 12 bits all the time, a bigger display, and more capability, the HDO6000B captures every detail. To learn more, visit teledynelecroy.com/HDO6000.